How to send someone money with Apple Pay. If you've ever wanted to send someone money quickly and securely, Apple Pay makes it super easy to do. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money to someone using Apple Pay, so let's jump right into it. First things first, open up the Messages app on your iPhone. Apple Pay works through iMessage, so you'll need to send money to someone via text. Next, either start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to or open an existing conversation if you're already talking to them. Simply tap on the plus icon and click on or choose the number that you want to send to. What you need to do is simply tap on the plus icon. From there, an option called Apple Cash or Apple Pay. Simply tap on it. Once you tap the Apple Pay icon, you'll be asked to enter the amount of the money you want to send. You can adjust the amount by tapping the plus icon or minus or buttons or typing it manually as well. After entering the amount, you'll be asked to confirm your payment information. If your Apple Pay is set up with the card or bank account, it will be linked here and you can choose which method you'd like to use. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Apple Pay. Your recipient will get a notification that they've received money via Apple Pay and they can use it right away or transfer it to their bank account.